Hey, what's up, everybody? This is your buddy, your pal, London Hawthorne here with yet another unboxing today. This shipped from Spartanburg, South Carolina, all the way to South Bend, Indiana. I've never been to any of the Carolinas. I would love to. It's a bucket list of mine one day. Definitely never been to Spartanburg. This shipped all the way to where I live in South Bend, Indiana. I live at the very, very top of Indiana. I'm not sponsored by any of the products in here, but I would love to be. So I've got an adorable puppy named Mahalo. He's my big guy. And I ordered him some Purina Beggin Strips. This is made with, real bacon, real meat, the #1 ingredient, with bacon and cheese flavor. No artificial flavors or FD, food dye and C colors. I don't know what that means. No artificial FD and C colors. I don't know. So it looks really good. Really good. I mean, I'd take a bite. But I want to see if he likes it. What do you guys think? Do you recommend some good doggy treats? I got a cat. You might hear her meow. She likes to meow a lot. Sassy. So she's chilling over there. But do you recommend any good yummy doggy treats? Kitty treats? Leave a comment. Let me know. If you want to help support my channel, help support my puppies, you can cash at me at London Hawthorne. That's my username. Or use my username as your coupon code on some cool t-shirts that I'm an affiliate for. OnceUponAT.net or RIPTapparel.com. That's OnceUponAT.net or RippedApparel.com. You can also, slide up in my DMs if you got some cool products to send me. Leave me a comment and let me know. Wish you the best. Have a good one.